Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about parallel period DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. This is parallel period DAX function syntax. Parallel period add dates column and next add dates key and next number of intervals and add intervals. Okay, interval. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. I am already imported some data and next to go to report and click new measure. Okay, now I'm showing I want to see this here. Calculate sum of sales. Okay, financial sales, close this parenthesis, comma, parallel period returns a parallel period of dates by given set of dates and specified interval. Okay, see this here. Now add dates key. Okay, I don't want to add this month, so now I'm typing -1 comma. See this here. Now I'm adding month. Okay, next close this parenthesis. See this here. Let's check this DAX function. See this here. Select curve and select measure. See this here. 106.7 millions. Okay, let's check this function. See this here. Select slicer and select dates and select this drop down, select list. Okay, next go to select curve. Okay, see this here. Now I'm selecting sales. Okay, and next go to format and click selection control off. Okay, now select see this here all. Okay, see this here. Okay, it's not add last month. Okay, see this here 106.73 millions. Okay, see this here 103.75 millions. Okay, same way you apply to possible quarter also. Okay, see this here quarter. See this here, it's automatically showing 88.97 millions. Okay, see this here height 3 2. Okay, 8.97.7. Okay, same way apply to possible to last month, last year. Same way apply to year also. Okay, see this here, it's automatically hide this year. Okay, this is parallel period DAX function in Power BI desktop.